These traffic lights follow. That's what happens when you take the mick out of your instructor.
Sorry. You said second exit, you need to calm down. You're getting ahead of yourself, aren't you, really? I'm the more calm one today, and then you're the one.
Right. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
Right, guys, welcome to another video.
Oh, are we starting?
We're starting that now. Okay. Right, guys, so today's lesson, Reon, what are we doing today?
Roundabout.
Yeah, we're turning right at big roundabouts because we found that was one of the areas that you need to develop on. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We don't have much.
Just a discussion topic though before we start. I've wore flat shoes today, hoping that it's going to aid me in my driving. You've said that it won't.
No, I said it won't help you with your left because you know how you're forgetting your left and right. It's not going to help you with that. Hopefully it'll help you with the...
Yeah, well...
You've been pretty good on the clutch though.
Yeah, but I've wore different coloured shoes, you see, in the laces, so I'm going to know that black is left.
Oh, okay.
And then right is...
So you're going to be looking down like this?
Right. Black is left, and then right is... Right,
okay.
Right is green. Right is green. Is that right? No.
Yeah. That was right. Yeah. Okay, right. So, but on a serious note, yeah, you know the flat soles. Yeah, they definitely help. Yeah, the thinner the sole, the more you're going to be able to feel the pedal. But like I said, you've been pretty good on the clutch on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So roundabouts, guys. Not going to spend any time explaining to Reon what he's supposed to do at a roundabout because he's using the Ultimate Driving Course app. You watch the videos, yeah? So turning right on a big roundabout, which lane are you going to use on approach?
The right.
And say we're taking the third exit, yeah? So once you've entered the roundabout, which lane are you going to stay in?
The right.
And then at what point do you move over to the left?
When it's safe to do so.
At what point? So we're taking
when you get, so if it's the third exit, first, second, just as you get past the second, mirrors, signal.
Yeah, start your mirroring signal just when you get level with it.
Level.
Not past with it, because then by the time you do that, we're going to be at your exit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to be, like, last lesson, towards the end of last lesson, we did one, you missed the turn. We had to go back round, remember? Yeah?
No, I don't remember what you're on about.
Yeah, I'm
an experienced driver now, I don't know what you're going on about.
I'm going to replay this at every fault, you know. Okay, right. Ready?
Please don't.
Okay,
as well.
On roundabouts. So I'm going to help you on roundabouts, but everywhere else, you take responsibility. Okay. And obviously, if there's a mistake coming in, then I'll help you out, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Like I said to you before, as long as I've got these two pedals here, I'm always ready.
Oh, it's the brake and the clutch, isn't it?
That's it, good.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Right. Just checking my surroundings first. Oh no, let me just position myself right. I always get really nervous. Ah! Okay. Okay. Checking around. I'm gonna signal. I'm gonna come up. Find the bike, gonna accelerate just a little bit, and I'm off.
Right, not bad at all. But remember, always get that biting point before you start doing the checks.
Okay.
Do you know where that is?
Just in case I roll back.
Yeah, so you all roll back and you're more ready to move.
Okay.
Yeah? At the end of the road, turn right for me, please.
Okie dokie. I'm positioning myself right. I'm gonna signal. I'm in gear 2, just slow down a little bit.
Which gear do you need here?
Right, I need gear 1.
That's it. Don't try and do these in gear 2, yeah? You're going to find yourself like trying to rush out otherwise.
Yeah, but you kind of rushed me there. How do you not know that I was going to go into gear 1?
Because you're like, I'm in gear 2 and you're looking at your ready to go.
Right, then I'm going. Come on.
Just to confirm, you were going to try and do that in gear 2, weren't you?
No. I don't know what you're on about. You just assumed, you see. No, I'm joking, I was.
away from the cars. This was the one thing, remember?
Positioning.
Yeah, too close to parked cars.
Okay.
You see, it does seem quite high up again. Your head's almost touching the ceiling, but it's okay as long as you're comfortable.
No, I'm very comfortable.
Good. It just makes me, you know, on this camera, it makes me look really. Everyone, like, when they see me in person, they say, oh, we thought you were a lot shorter than that, because, you know, all of you guys have your seat forward. I've got mine back.
You are short.
And everyone looks taller than me.
You are short.
Turn right.
You're about 5'4". Why are you lying to people?
Turn right.
Why are you lying to people? Why did you just try and make out that you were 6 foot?
You know, I'll have to do a video now.
You were literally not 6
height.
foot.
I'm just over 6 foot, actually.
No, you're not. You're really not. I can't believe that you've just tried to lie there. That's insane.
The roundabout, turn left. Brilliant, really good. You didn't rush for the clutch, yeah, like you did in the previous lessons. You're thinking about it. Now, at these traffic lights, follow. Follow the road to the left, please.
You're startled now because everybody knows your secret.
Right, you watch what happens on these roundabouts now.
Oh.
Come on, then get us out of here.
Oh yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm sorry.
Get gear one. Get gear one.
Yeah.
Clutch down, gear one.
Okay.
That's gear 3 again. Get gear 1. And carry on nice and easy. More gas.
Oh.
That's what happens when you take the Macari Instructor.
Sorry.
Don't worry, no one's behind us. The lights are turning red.
Calmer that is.
Okay, don't shove. Hold it there.
Yeah.
Press the gas for me. Are you going to take the mick out of me again?
No.
That's it. Good boy.
Lovely weather, isn't it?
Oh,
Beautiful weather.
yeah.
We haven't got rain today, have we?
No.
Lovely weather.
Right, come on. Let's not that affect anything unless we work as a team. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a roundabout coming up.
Yeah.
We're going straight ahead. Yeah. You've done this roundabout once before. Remember, this was the one you just tried to quickly rush into. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to help you on the approach here now. I said, just keep to the left here. Now, make a decision.
Yeah.
Are you going to stop or go?
I'm gonna stop now.
Yeah. After this car, it's clear. Yeah. So let's carry on. Nice and easy. Keep to the left lane here, though. Good. More gas. Keep going. Keep going. Get second gear. And mirrors, centre left mirror signal. Clutch up and more acceleration. Excellent. Well done. That was good how you kept your position there this time. Yeah. Let's speed up a bit more. Good. And cancel your signal. And at this roundabout, we're going to be turning right, third exit. So which lane do we need?
Right lane.
Yeah, so do that when it's safe. Good. See how here, when you change lane, you didn't slow down your speed at all, yeah?
Yeah.
Same on the roundabout. Cancel your signal for now. Now, start your routine now. Don't rush for the clutch. No,
Okay.
mirrors and signal. Mirrors and signal. To the right. Brake. Clutch down. And select second gear. It's safe to enter. Let's go. Good. Again, try and maintain the speed. What number exit is this?
1.
Good. We're taking number 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't slow down too much. Now,
2.
stop. Check your centre mirror and left mirror. Signal left. Is it safe to your left?
Yeah.
Move over there. Excellent. Perfect. See, that was good timing there. Yeah, we didn't leave it too late. Cancel your signal. Now, don't rush for the clutch. We're going to be turning right, third exit. Mirrors and signal first.
Mirrors.
To the right. Tap the brake. That's it. Do we need to change gear? Is it okay?
No, we're good.
That's it. That's what you need to do on the other roundabout. If you're rushing for the clutch.
Yeah.
Third exit. What number is this? Good. And as soon as you get to 2, what are you going to do now?
2.
Which mirrors? Which signal? Good. And move over. Don't leave that too late.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as you get level with that second exit, yeah.
Okay.
Good. Cancel your signal. At this roundabout, we're turning left. So routine is what? Good. Then the brake.
Do I get in left hand lane?
Yeah, left hand lane. What you reckon? Is it safe to go before that lane car?
Yeah.
Let's do it then. Good. Left, left, left. You're going to go straight there.
I was going to go into the roundabout.
Remember, we're turning left.
Oh, yeah.
A bit more acceleration for me. More. Let's speed up more. And third gear. And you don't want to get overtaken by another learner.
Oh, well.
We're turning right at the roundabout.
Okay. So that means...
Overtaken by another learner. Okay, slow down. Let them go now. Let them go. Slow down.
He needs to wait for me. He's speeding up when I'm trying to get over.
There's another DG in.
What's he doing?
It's like second gear.
You need to let them know who's your main learner.
It's like music.
Don't you? Really?
Yeah, it's safe to enter. That's it.
You need to let them know.
Have you ever been overtaken by a learner before?
No, you just need to let them know.
Third exit. Get gear 2 for me. What number's that?
1.
Good. Keep going. What are you going to do when you get here
2.
now? Good. Make that decision now. Safe or not safe?
Yeah.
Yeah, move over then. Good. See that car held back because that signal's on at the correct time. Good. And cancel your signal. Right, we're taking the third exit here now, yeah?
Okay.
So, start everything now. You reckon you could give this a go yourself? You want me to talk you through it again?
And let's just do it. Okay.
Bit more gas with it. Good. Try and talk through what you're doing because it's normally good.
First exit, make sure that's all right. Cancel. No,
leave it on.
Leave it on. Second.
And again with the mirrors.
Mirrors, safe to do so. Move out.
Brilliant. Good. Excellent.
Cancel signal.
See, not too fast now because there's another roundabout coming up here. Turn right, third exit at this one, which is a U-turn. There's that learner that overtook you.
Alright, do you want to carry on rubbing it in or?
I know that really.
You need to like calm down. Seriously.
Sorry. Second exit.
We were going to the second exit.
No, third.
You said second exit, you need to calm down. You're getting ahead of yourself, aren't you, really? I'm the more calm one today, and then you're the one.
I don't know what I'm doing today.
Just wait.
Keep going. Alright. Okay. Signal left now. Signal left. No. Okay. Go this way. Yeah. Oh, okay.
You said second exit. So
that's the second exit. So what you're going to do? Right. Yeah. So we're turning right. Third exit. Good. Excellent. Brilliant.
Right, third exit. 1, 2. Okay. Signal. Safe to do so. Let's go. Yeah!
That was like cancel signal. That was perfect start to finish.
Okay.
Yeah, excellent.
Don't go. It was all the way over there. What do you mean? I saw your feet about to break. It was not even on the round. It was not even on the cross thing.
It wasn't a he, it was a she.
Oh, that's how much I'm paying attention. Come on, he wasn't. Come on, he wasn't. She wasn't. No.
So you know when you watch it back in the video, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, she's like just got there at the same time, so we
Okay.
should be planning that.
Yeah.
On the approach. I don't think you've been the same since that lane overtook you.
Yeah. It scarred me for life. I'm actually going to stay in my bedroom now. Not come out for 3 days and just live off pot noodle. That's how much you scarred me, to be honest. And the fact that you even laughed cut right down to the soul. I thought we were friends, to be honest. Clearly not.
Getting excellent gap from the park cars.
I've already improved a lot. I can feel it.
With
I just smile to myself because I feel like more comfortable in the car.
And that's what it's about. It's not about me telling you you're good or bad. It's about you feeling, yeah, I feel a lot.
It's just about you laughing at me, isn't it, really?
Yeah, shouldn't have done that, but it's done now, isn't it?